Hi guys. So I've started with the first chapter and I'll just walk you through the entire notes, what I've learned, and we'll just practice together then. Okay. So for the first chapter we are having tags, elements and attributes. So what are tags? Okay, basically what is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Style Markup Language. It is the language that browser uses to uh, write the web pages which we see on our desktops, on the mobile screens and tablets, etc., etc. So beginning off with the tags, the basic structure of the HTML document include tags which surround content and apply meaning to it. So we'll just start off with this entire piece of code. Okay. So what is doctype HTML? From its name only you can guess that it is the like it is saying the browser that the document type of this entire this document is HTML. That what it informs to the browser. So in the second line we have the HTML lang equals to EN. The HTML language equals to EN, which stands for English. Apart from this, in sub piece of code you would be seeing like dash US. Okay, capital US. Sorry, that means it is the United States English. So you can write like this format as well, but okay, whatever. And this is the tag. Okay, these are called as tags. This you can see head tag, opening head tag, and this is called as closing head tag. Oh, and this is also the tag, title tag, opening and the closing. And we have HTML tag. This is the opening tag and this is the closing tag. This is what tag means. Okay, so the head tag would be containing some titles. For example, this is the title of the our web page. Okay, the root of an evil. This is the title that appears to the top tab of the that small tab you are having at the web page whenever you open a web page. That is would be having a title that would be having the content in that tab, and also you can see like small sticker over there, like small symbol that is called as favicon. We would also see how to put the favicon into our web page so it is like looking good and nice and all. Okay, the body tag. Okay, this would be containing our entire code. We will be writing our entire piece of code into this both tags, the body opening and the closing tag. Okay, we'll just walk you on to this also. uh, what I have explained, this is all it contains. Like for example, the HTML tag, the web page root element, the big daddy, what we say, the HTML tag body, the main content area of the HTML document, where we write all our code into that, so it builds up and give us a beautiful web page. The HTML tag, which one head tag, it would be containing like metadata info. I will explain what is metadata information also. It is the first element inside an HTML document. Obviously it contains the title tags, everything I explained, attributes, properties of the tags. Okay, so like body tag would be having some properties. For example, it would be containing multiple images, multiple videos and everything. That is the properties, attributes of the entire web page. Elements, so like okay, so for example, everything that is between the body, the opening body tag and the closing body tag is the body element. That what element means. So going on to our VS code, we'll start writing code. Okay, so open a folder, open folder, we'll just create a new folder. I don't have much space. Okay, I have in V drive. So new folder, HTML frac. Open, select the folder. Selected. Okay. We just name our file HTML. I have this habit of naming like it practice underscore one dot HTML. This is what I name. Always our HTML extension to our file. That what is the basic meaning of the entire document. Okay, I'll just start off doc type HTML. Yeah, okay, I'll just increase the font size. I don't want you guys to be having a blurry vision at the end of the entire video. Search for font. Okay, let's make it to 21. And themes, color theme also we will change. Light, yes, go with light. Oh my god. Okay, okay, let's start. It is more visible. Then we have HTML tag as mentioned. Okay, I just do not write in upper cases, guys. This is not a bad habit. This is not a good habit, sorry. Then we have HTML. Okay. Inside this, we'll be having our head tag firstly, and then we'll start off with our body tag. Okay. So HTML, we have seen that language one, lang. See, it is having the properties en dash us. That means the language of the entire web page is English. So we are having the title of the web page would, okay, this seems to be like too much confusing. I'll just separate this out. Okay, now it's more open and more understandable. So title like my first web page. Okay, we'll just make an prayer to God that HTML is easy and I can understand it very well. Okay, this is the content which goes into the body tag. Okay, we'll just control S and go to run, start debugging using okay, so okay, so oh my god, and spelling is wrong, guys. We'll just control R and the spelling is right now. So this is our first web page, guys. Congratulations. Congratulations. HTML is easy and I can understand it very well. Yes, I know. Okay, I pray. Thank you, guys. This is the first chapter. We'll sing into you into the second chapter. Bye, guys.